VR Media Corridor, Pakistan.
LLF is an open and free to public event to celebrate Pakistan's diverse languages, literature and cultural expressions.
वहमे दुई भी कुफ्र है एक वजूद एक जात मगर समझाने के लिए दो नैन तेरे दो नैन मेरे
दो नैन तेरे दो नैन मेरे
जब मिले तो मिलके चार हुए
मिले तो मिलके चार हुए
ये अपनी अपनी किस्मत है
ये अपनी अपनी किस्मत है
दो जीत गए दो।
कोरोना वबा की वजह से 9वें सालाना लाहौर लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल का इनेकाद वर्चुअल टेक्नोलॉजी से करना पड़ा। 4 रोजा लाहौर लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल के वर्चुअल सेशन के पहले रोज का मौजू क्या चांद था सारे आसमां पर भारत के मारूफ उर्दू नकाद शम्सुर रहमान फारूकी के नाम किया गया। मुख्तलिफ मौजुआत पर होने वाले सेशंस में माहिर तालीम शमीम हनफी, सैयदा हमीद, नासिर अब्बास नैयर और हारिस खलील ने हिस्सा लिया।
Art has the power to question and challenge both our own prejudices and those who intimidate and divide us.
Drama is supposed to be a reflection of a society. I'm seeing, a room full of women who seem to be very empowered right now, and we never get to hear your story.
I think that I would not do much navigation. I think because I'm absolutely dying to see what Kavita has in store for us. The last time I heard her speak on something close to what we're going to talk about today, I was absolutely fascinated by the lens she put on with which to view what we thought were fairly staid and predictable ways of describing a time. And therefore, to see her unravel, uncover, and explore things that, nuances that we did not know or did not notice ever before. So Kavita, please, we're absolutely dying to see what you have brought with you. Far away, but close to our hearts, from Delhi to Lahore.
Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure and such an honor to be sharing, if not the stage, then the screen with you, Salima, so Razi and the Lahore Lit Fest. I'm so grateful to at least virtually be in your presence, even if I couldn't make it to your beautiful city again. When you extended this invitation and said that it would be a session where I would perhaps speak about Mughal paintings and Salima ji would speak about contemporary miniature painting from Pakistan, I started thinking about the way we distinguish these two, the art of the past and the art of the present. And when we think of Mughal painting from the 16th and the 17th and the 18th centuries, for all the exquisiteness of their execution, we tend to think of these artists as working to express their patron's vision rather than their own. And this, I think, marks the great distinction between the way we think about painters of historic times and the way we think about painters of today, because we imagine that the painters of the past were always working to a commission, and it is only the painters of today who get to express their own subjectivity. So I was wondering if this is really the case. Did the painters of an earlier time have no space to express what they felt and what they saw? And it seemed to me that despite the close supervision under which a lot of Mughal artists would have worked in the Karkhana, despite the many demands that were made upon them, they did find ways to bring their own observations and even, I dare to say, their own political critique of their times somehow into their works. And I thought I'd share a few works where I feel I see this with you. So I'm going to start sharing a PowerPoint.
वर्चुअल सेशन में किताब नो विन वार की लॉन्चिंग की गई। अफगानिस्तान के तराजुर में पाक अमेरिका तल्लुकात के सेशन में बैनुल अक़वामी साफ़ी कैथी गैनन और मारूफ पाकिस्तानी दानिश्वर जाहिद हुसैन के दरमियान मज़ाकरा हुआ।
When Metcalfe House is looted and burnt in 1857, the statue is stolen and no one knows where it's gone until it turns up 10 years later being worshipped as an image of Shiva in a Shiva temple.
किताबों पर तबसरे के एक और सेशन में रजा रूमी और प्रोफेसर क्लेयर चैम्बर्स के दरमियान मुकालमा हुआ।
Subjects, the themes that we're discussing, they're all very timely, they're very universal, and these are issues that are very close to my heart. These are issues that I care about.
It's something very recent. It's by a young artist called Yasser Waqas, and it's a work that we put on at the Fez Festival in 2018, and it's called A Song for This Day, which is a reference to Fez's poem, Aaj Ke Naam, or Aaj Ke Gham Ke Naam, and it is, this image of this figure taking off. The figure is barely visible. It's somehow lost in the dark blue, but the wings are visible, and they're actual wings. They're taxidermied wings, against the lusciousness of the gold leaf. So people used to, and a lot of people stood in front of these and had their photographs taken. So you had so many people standing there, and it seemed that the wings were coming out from their figures. And it was about the oppressiveness that we feel in our societies today, but the fact that you are allowed to dream of something in which perhaps you can break out, break free, and soar into however high you can soar. I think we should give to the artist a great deal, pay them tribute for the fact that they make us, give us the ability to think beyond our time and to live beyond that time. And therefore, artists are quite useful, don't you think?
फेस्टिवल में किताब न्यू पाकिस्तानी इंग्लिश फिक्शन की तकरीबी रुनमाई भी हुई। जनूबी एशिया और दीगर आलमी इश्यूज को भी जेर बहस लाया गया। लाहौर लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल के इस नवे एडिशन में पाकिस्तान, अमेरिका, भारत और बरतानिया के मुसन्निफीन, नकादों, साफियों और माहिर तालीम और दीगर शोबों के माहिरीन ने शिरकत की।
शायरों का शहर रहा है, ये मुसव्विरों का शहर रहा है, लिखने वालों का शहर और पढ़ने वालों का।
I think you've had discussions here which would be impossible on the TV channels.
Bitter taste in my mouth, spit it out with a rhyme. And yo, I'm losing my religion to tomorrow's headlines.
मुकर्रिरीन ने करार दिया कि अब दुनिया भर, खास तौर पर मुस्लिम ममालिक के नौजवान सोशल लाइफ की अहमियत को समझने लगे हैं। दुनिया को अमन की इज्तिमाई सोच से ही महफूज रखा जा सकता है।
There will always be your ideal, somebody you look up to.
I mean, look at how many people are here. There's an art exhibition there. There's fantastic lectures there. This is really a celebration of what's good in Pakistan.
Never, never, never. Culture, the English language, and if I confess, I like it because it's just fun.
Really buzzing. It's got a lot of interesting people here.